Hi, this is Erika Lindstrom, helps you start living a really good life on your terms. So what do I mean by that? Well, in this short video, I just want to explain to you how it's possible for me to earn an income from the internet. For more than 25 years, I worked in services and retail, and I was the store manager for 6 different stores. I also have owned 3 different companies, and to be honest, I worked day and night with those companies and with my jobs to make a decent income. I tried so hard for many years, and I dreamed of this bank account with some extra money. I wanted to travel, I wanted to have a nice home and all those things that I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. But it seems like no matter how much I did work, my income was still the same. So after a while, I realized I need to find a business system that allows me to earn money while I'm not at a job. Because I didn't want to sacrifice my family anymore. My children grew up and I didn't have the time to be there for them. And also I wanted to have vacation whenever I wanted, not when the boss told me I was able to release myself for my responsibility as a boss. So it took me a while to search on the internet because, to be honest, the internet is full of different opportunities, and so many of them are really big scams. If they tell you that you could be rich overnight, please be aware that is not the truth. So after a while, I came over this video where my mentor talked about an education on how to make money online. And of course, I was very skeptical in the beginning, as you should be. But because it was free, and he talked about a video series he could send me, and also some invitations for webinars, I signed up. I took my chance. So I did that, and I never regretted that, because in 1 year I have built a big business for myself. At least it's very big for me, because a year ago I had no idea on how to build a website, how to advertise on social media, how to record a video like this for YouTube or Facebook or other platforms. I had no idea how to write a blog post. What else? I had no idea how to sell physical products on eBay or Amazon or Shopify. Oh, it's so much I have learned in 1 year. So I've set up this business now, and it's running really well in only 1 year. Was it easy for me? No, I put in a lot of time on it, on this education, and I took it really seriously. But I would do it again and again and again if I got a chance again, all over again, because this was the very best thing I ever did. Not only because of the education, because it's designed for people like me who knew nothing about technical stuff for the internet, how to really build this business online. And it doesn't matter if I don't have my own product. If I do have my own product, I could sell that, because I learned how to do it worldwide, 24 hours a day. But if I don't have the perfect product, they will help me with that as well. So basically what I do now, I recommend other products that I use myself that I really like, and I earn commission on that. And this income is 24 hours, and I now advertise in many countries. So I get customers from all over the world, and I love it so much. But not only the education is perfect, and for me it's at least, the community we have. I must talk about the community we have, because the community is awesome. You get leaders, teachers, and members from everywhere, and they are all dedicated to help you in your business. And where can you find a community like that? It's awesome, and you have to be there to understand what I'm talking about. But the good thing about this is that you can try this education and you have your 100% money back guarantee. Well, what do I want you to do now? I want you to take this opportunity to try the first video series that I did in the beginning. That's how I got started, and you have nothing to lose because it's free. And I will keep your email address for myself, so I won't sell it to anyone else. It's just mine. And I will use it to send you some more valuable content and explain how I set up my business and what good tools I use. If you don't want to receive any more emails from me, you just unsubscribe and you will never hear from me again. And then if you decide you want to join a members community and try this education yourself, it's only $29.95 and you have the 30-day money back guarantee. So if there's nothing for you in this, just jump out and you have your money back and it's all over. So thank you so much for listening, and right now I want you to click on the link. It's somewhere here on the video. I don't know exactly. You click the link and you sign up with your name and email address, and then you check your inbox. If there's nothing in your inbox, check your junk mail and there will be a video there from me. So let's see you on the inside. Talk to you later. Bye bye.